as he has the Fergus box. Dave Pietru here aiming for box number 4. Box number 2, 158. Joseph Jackson hits the track. Joseph Jackson is gone. Dave Pietru hit a horse on his way out, clipping himself. But here we go. Indian relay action. Off to the Buffalo Matrix we go. Joseph Jackson. Butcher relay finds himself on the front side and in championship heat. Carter Houle is there in second position. On the backside in third position, taking his time, is Keith Lupatak. But here they come as they come around, dancing around the teepee corner, making it look easy. Joseph Jackson coming around that final turn, headed toward that medicine line. On the front side, Butcher relay taking down your 2025 championship heat, championship Sunday. Carter Houle, 158, coming in a close second. Coming in on the backside, Chief Lupatak.